What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are watching that are new, my name is Sheridan, and for today's video I have a special guest, my sister, Sydney.
What's up?
What up? Alright, so today's video is inspired by Nikki and Gabby. If you haven't seen their channel or heard of them, I will link this particular video. I will link this particular video below. They did a DIY Halloween costume challenge where they went shopping in like a craft store and couldn't buy any clothing items. And then they had like 20 minutes to put it all together.
I don't know if it was 20 minutes to shop or 20 minutes to make it.
So we're gonna kind of do our own take on this video, but we definitely wanted to credit them for the inspiration, so thank you. Here's the breakdown. Sydney is super crafty. She's really creative, really good at those types of things. I am good at makeup. That's about it. I suck at this. She apparently already knows what she's gonna do. I have no idea. I'm just gonna be winging it. Give ourselves a
$35.
$35 price
This video
limit.
is sponsored by my grandma.
We called our grandma and asked her for some money.
No, we asked my mom, but my grandma said she would help us.
So shout out to you if you're ever watching this, Grandma.
Thanks, Gram.
We love you. If you would like to see us do a DIY Halloween costume challenge and see what we come up with, then stay tuned.
Coat on because it's 2 degrees outside.
It is 2 degrees here in Toasty, Michigan. Here we go. Challenge. Whee! Oh, that's so cute.
What is this plant?
Oh my god, there's Christmas ornaments. Look at this little bear. Look at it. Look at this.
I like this.
Look at this little bear. I've been recording this whole time, and people are literally gonna see how distracted.
Look at it.
It's very cute.
Ribbon.
I feel so short behind you.
I need...
I'm like, hello.
Do I need this? Maybe? Well, that's expensive. This is... Wait, am
Oh
I?
my god, this is $5.
I'm tall, man. 6 foot.
Okay, I finally got the idea of what I'm gonna do. I'm so excited. This is literally the perfect fabric. I can't wait. I can't wait. I just have to tell you guys, I'm gonna do Wilma from the Flinstones.
Okay, guys, this is a store that's full of women. Okay, I take that back. It is filled with moms trying to make their kids Halloween costumes, and it's actually kind of scary. I almost got trampled like 2 minutes ago, so send help.
So she is wearing these like stones around her neck. I think this would work.
Okay, guys, this is what I have. White fabric and some black sparkly felt. I'm gonna be the easiest thing in the world, a ghost. And someone just walked by. And I don't really know if I need anything else. I'm just gonna make like a like a big sheet. I don't know.
From the...
Don't tell them.
Oh, okay. Well, I need to find something to do for hair because I don't have a red wig, and
Well,
I can't find spray paint anywhere. So I'm thinking I'm gonna
fabric.
have to do glitter.
No, no, no. Do not red glitter your hair. That's a bad idea.
A edible
Fabric.
color.
I don't think you want people eating your hair. This is the worst cart I've ever had in my life. Things.
I'm thinking this is gonna be like an accessory piece.
Okay.
You know.
What? It's a piece of a chicken. How's it going?
I need my hair.
Okay. We're going to find her hair. Oh, it's really hard to steer with one hand. I need to find something more because mine's a little plain Jane right now. But here we go.
It's gonna be like too red. This is literally all I can find. I don't know what to do.
This is what I need to find so that I can, no, I just need a headband so that I can make something like this.
Should I just get like an orange bow
I don't know.
for the bun, you know?
I can't consult with the competition.
Oh, we decided our costumes are slightly incomplete, and to appeal to our budgets, we're also going to stop at a dollar store.
Yeah.
To see if we can complete our costumes. But this is the stuff we have so far. So we're gonna go check out.
Boo!
Boo!
Happy Halloween!
We're back.
Hope we scared you.
Hope we scared you. Skirt, but don't be too scared because we're here and we are going to start this challenge.
I think I'm too tall.
Should I move it up a little? Sid, go ahead, show them what you got.
So I have some
and the price point. Man, I have
16 pom-poms. White pom-poms. These were 99 cents. I have 1 yard of feathery string. 91 centimeters. I have some white gloves. Technically you can wear these, but it doesn't cover your whole body, so I think that's fine. Some sparkly black felt pieces. Headband, some white fleece, 2.5 yards. And it all cost $15.21. That was the year that Abe Lincoln was born.
That's a lie. Don't listen to us. I have these rock-like beads. I have a hair tie with a pom-pom on it. 3 yards of white sheer fabric that actually has animal print. I don't know if you can tell, but it does. It cost me $23.28
for 3 things.
Sorry to have freaked you out by changing positions, but unfortunately it was very awkward the way we had set it up originally. So here we are.
25, can you see that? 25 minutes. Ready? Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Starting now.
Okay, I literally don't even know the first thing I'm gonna do. I have no idea.
Where are the scissors?
We only have 1 pair of scissors.
Where are the pencils?
Sydney, I'm gonna need...
Okay, well let's pencil it up here.
Help! I don't know what I'm
tracing.
doing. I brought a pen.
I don't think a pen is gonna trace on a black felt. I give up on this costume.
You need white chalk. There's white chalk in that bin. Dude, I don't know what I'm doing. I got this. This shouldn't even be that hard.
Yeah, yours is so elementary. Like,
no,
you're
shut up. You're making anything. A ghost.
You have 3 products.
You're making a ghost.
What are they called? 3 supplies? 3 ingredients?
This is so hard.
You have 3?
Shut up, you're distracting me.
What is this called? What are these all called? Supplies? 3 supplies, and she's complaining that this is gonna be too much.
I don't know what to do.
I'm already halfway done. I got my ghost eyes.
Stop.
Perfect.
Oh my God.
Should I do a scary mouth or a happy mouth? I like happy ghosts. That looks like a fun one. Let's do a happy mouth. What's your favorite Halloween costume you ever wore?
This is so hard. Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Probably one time I was a double person horse with my best friend in
Wait,
7th
who was
grade.
that?
Danielle Sidebottom.
Oh yeah.
If you're watching, do you remember that? But our dishwasher is going on and off, so just know that's a thing.
Want to know what's insane? I was legally blonde for Halloween in 1st grade.
You were.
Not that it's
legally blonde.
not a bad cut, like not that it's a horrible costume, but usually 1st graders are not legally blonde for Halloween. This is a weird shape.
I hope this fits me. Oh my God. Does this look like my boobs? Oh.
Pom-poms.
Oh, are you okay?
Do not try this at home.
Does this look long enough to you?
What are you doing?
I'm making a dress. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Oh no. Yikes.
Give me the scissors.
Done. 18 minutes.
Left? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, if this is raggedy, it's good because she's a cave woman. I also need to cut myself a belt.
I need this whole table.
Okay. Good for you. This looks like it'll work for a belt. Snip, snip. I'm so terrified right now. Wow.
May I have the scissors?
This is not a belt.
What are you doing?
Hang on. No, Sydney, I need to cut my belt.
Okay. Wow. I bet this is a perfect circle, almost. Look at that. Geometry.
Okay, it's time to start assembling the dress. The dress is gonna need hot glue. Right now it's just 2 flaps.
Actually, I look like an angel.
It's kind of fitting.
I need more space.
It's actually not fitting at all. Help.
Oh.
We're gonna make this a sexy Flintstone outfit.
Oh no.
Do you want me to move some stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, well my stuff's only right here. Everything else is yours. Why are you yelling at me?
I just need some help. Can you just hold the middle?
I'm not helping you. This is a challenge.
I don't have everything together.
So the bottom of her skirt is like frayed, so I'm gonna cut in some little frays.
That is wretched.
It is Wilma.
Do you reckon you're gonna win with that?
Yes, I do reckon. I reckon much. I almost handed you this. How do you reckon?
Can you still see me?
Okay, we can barely see you back there, but it's fine.
Okay. Ah!
I need to turn. She's scared of cats. It's so spooky over here. I don't like this.
Please get away from this.
I was hoping this could just be the necklace, but apparently it's
Why
too
is
tight.
this here?
I don't know how to make this a necklace. Maybe I could hot glue it to my body. Really what I'm gonna do.
No! It almost stabbed his paw! He touched the scissors! Stop it! Get it away!
I don't know how.
Help, please! It's ripping it! I'm gonna cut off your ponytail if you do not help me!
This is so hard. I don't recommend this. I'm gonna take some of your puffs.
No!
Please?
No!
The problem is, if I even break one of these strings, I'll have no necklace. God. Gotta be a way I can just hot. Oh, I'm a genius! Yes! Yes.
You're gonna hot glue that on your neck.
No. Recommend if you're gonna do a challenge with 2 people of crafting, you buy you 2 pairs of scissors.
2 pairs of scissors.
Okay, I'm gonna glue 2 pieces of my fabric onto these stones on each side so that I can tie it in the back like a necklace. The thing is, it's awkward is like there's this little thing
cut
there.
that.
Oh. No. Hey! Would that totally ruin the whole thing?
I don't know. They look like they're hooked together. Maybe if you just cut a little bit of it, not like the whole thing.
You're tricking me. 5 minutes and 38 seconds.
I need to get going. Give me my glue, please.
Yes.
Can I please have the glue?
Okay, cool. I think my necklace is...
Oh!
Oh my god. I think my necklace is done. Maybe I could like at least glue this part together. Okay, I'm gluing together my boob area. I don't think that's the correct... Ah! It's so hot!
I don't know if I want a circle mouth or if I want a happy mouth. I only have 5 minutes to decide.
I hope this like fits me.
It's just gonna go with a happy mouth.
You should give it a mustache.
No. I'm running out of time. I don't have time to do all these
You think I
details
can
that
rip
I
it
wanted.
apart,
All these
like-
feathers are coming off.
Are you stressing?
Yeah.
Are you stressing? Are you stressed out?
I'm gonna glue your hand.
This is making me nervous just watching you. I think I'm done. I haven't even done that much, but I feel like it's enough, you know? I guess I should try it on.
Yeah, you don't even know. Okay, I don't like this time limit thing. Can we not
This
do that?
is my dress.
Excuse me.
You have 1 minute and 22 seconds. I think I'm done. This is my necklace. It looks
I
good.
don't even know what. I think I grabbed the pom-poms for details. Bridge.
Use any of them? I wanted to use some and you said no.
Because it's not yours.
But it could go along my neckline.
Sorry.
17 seconds.
Yeah, we're done.
We're just gonna...
Oh, wait, I have a good idea.
What's your idea?
Can I just glue these pom-poms to my fingers? How many are there?
No, that's not in the time limit.
There's 16. Yes, I am doing it. Anyway.
Cheater. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get changed. She's gonna finish gluing some stuff on because she's cheating.
I'm not cheating. I'm just
You're not following the rules.
to my detail.
Not following the rules. And the big reveal. And the big reveal. And the big reveal. Why do you keep doing that?
have to say 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! That was so slippery.
Oh, here we are in our costumes. What do you guys think?
I have some scallop detail here on my wings and the bottom.
Bodice.
I would make it a little bit shorter
Next time.
if I had more time. Have a feathery headband and
Cute
some
details.
pom-pom gloves.
Cute. To be honest, if I had more time and I would have tried this on faster, I would have made it bigger. But now we're going for sexy Wilma. Sexy is my middle name. I guess it's really true to me, you know?
And this is true to me.
We are very different sisters.
Okay.
Yes, this is the details. You see I have a cinched waist. I'm wearing nude panties, a nude strapless bra, and her strap goes to the left. My necklace is probably the best thing out of the whole thing. It turned out really cute. Ties in the back. There you go. And she's also barefoot in the show, so I wouldn't walk around barefoot. I would probably wear some like strappy heels to complete this look.
This is great for when you live in cold places and you want to have a warm Halloween and be nice and cozy. We're gonna do an Instagram poll instead.
Instagram poll, yes, fire. I'm gonna go take the pic, we're gonna do the poll, and we'll be back. Sorry, I'm just the winner. And that wraps up this video, guys. Honestly, you win in my book, because look at this.
I'm gonna go scare some children.
Scared me. Thanks for watching this sister challenge. If you liked it and you want to see us do more weird and probably not successful things like this, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments.
A pom-pom thumb up.
Or a regular thumb. Either one. We will take it.
Bye.
Like, subscribe, comment. Bye. Bye, guys. See you later in the next video. Bye.